God, if there was ever a scam, this is one. Okay. Book promotion. If you type in KDP book promotion, you are going to come up with a whole bunch of different things on Fiverr where it's like, I will promote your KDP Amazon book. I will do Amazon Kindle book promotion and KDP marketing ads. I will do book promotion and ebook marketing using Amazon KDP ads. This is just, you're just like, this is stupid. Like, don't do this. All they're doing is they're putting your book using a free promotion in front of a whole bunch of groups that the only people in those groups are other people doing these book promotion sites. So zero actual customer. You're not getting real customers. You're not getting anybody interested in your specific book. You're getting nothing. You're just losing money. That's all you're getting. And like, man, if there's somebody out there who's ever had success with this, please comment below. I'd love to be proven wrong with one of these. That would be amazing. But guys, KDP book promotion or book marketing on Fiverr is nothing short of a scam. Do not buy into any of that garbage. That is not going to help you move more book units on Amazon using any sort of these type of gigs at all, period. It didn't work back in 2015. It sure as hell ain't gonna work in 2026.